Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail, and today I want you to come along with me while I get this 4x4 closure wig installed.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
The wig I will be getting installed is by YOLOVA Hair. YOLOVA reached out to me and sent me this wig to review. Here's what came in the box with the wig. I have a thank you card. I also got some lashes. And I got a wig cap. Now let's get into the specs of this wig. The wig come in this white dust bag. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig, 28 inches, in the texture loose deep wave. Today I will begin my wig Slay by Jamal. So if you ever in Dallas, check him out. So my stylist braided down my hair in about 5 braids. And here you can see he is creating the ball cap method. Oh my God, you can already see the magic appearing. Look how this wig is laying so flat and blending right in, just like scalp. He applied the 4x4 lace closure to the side, giving me, I wanted a deep side part. So he said he can make it happen. My stylist laid my lace using a waterproof lace glue. And you can see how my stylist parted my 4x4 lace closure wig. It looks so good. Look at how the hair just melts down to my head, looking so natural. Yes. Here you can see my stylist is creating some baby hair. Oh my God, this wig is looking so good. My stylist went ahead and added the black wrap paper around my perimeter to lay the wig even more. And now he's going to begin to style it. My stylist bragged on how easy this hair was to curl. Y'all, this YOLOVA 4x4 lace closure wig is amazing.
It got you fucked up.
Oh, that look good. Oh my God, and as you can see, he made the magic happen. This wig is absolutely amazing. I love everything about it, from the hair texture to the length. Y'all, get you a wig from YOLOVA Hair. You will not be disappointed.